What is training data and why is it important? Training data is the information a machine uses to learn patterns and make predictions. In supervised learning, it includes examples, input data, and answers, labels. This data helps build a model, like the AI system's brain. Example, if you want to train a machine to recognize flowers, you need to show it thousands of labeled images of flowers. The machine will learn to identify the differences between roses, lilies, and daisies, building simple machine learning models. Building machine learning models can be fun and educational. Let's look at two examples of simple models you can create. Building an image classifier. An image classifier can recognize and categorize images into groups. Steps to build an image classifier. First, collect data. Gather images for the categories you want, like roses, lilies, and daisies. Second, train the model. Use tools like Google's Teachable Machine to train it with your images. Third, test the model. Upload new images to see how well it can classify them. Fourth, improve the model. If it makes mistakes, add more data or adjust settings to improve it. Building a text analysis model. Text analysis models can understand and interpret text, like predicting if a message is positive or negative. Steps to build a text analysis model. First, collect text data. Gather reviews or comments labeled with their sentiment, positive, neutral, or negative. Second, train the model. Use tools like Python or other AI platforms to train it with text data. Third, test the model. Try it with new text to see how well it predicts the sentiment. Fourth, improve the model. If it's not accurate, add more data or fine-tune the algorithm.